Agricultural practices. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Crops are of different types, such as cereals, vegetables and fruits. These can be classified on the basis of the season in which they grow. In India, the climatic conditions such as temperature, humidity and rainfall vary from one region to another. Rabi crops. Crops which are sown in the beginning of winter are known as Rabi or winter season crops. For example, wheat, barley, gram, pea, potato, etc. Kharif crops. Crops which are sown in the beginning of rainy season are known as Kharif or summer season crops. For example, rice, maize, soya bean, cotton, etc.